Telling you, my animals are too much. Okay, Olive's on the ground, and her and Sari are having a standoff. Olive keeps going up to Sari. They're just like staring at each other. What are you guys doing? No, what are you guys doing? Olive? What, are you just gonna sit there? That's Olive. Named her Olive Well because Popeye loves her, but she's not very nice of a bird. And Popeye's sweet. Olive Oil's not very nice. She has no fear. Oh, why is she just staring at Sari? And Sari's just staring at her. Cute. What are you guys gonna do? I think Sari's getting bored of her. Like, what's going on? Why is everybody staring at me? What are you doing, Olive? You bothering Sari? Sari's like, why is this bird on my bed? Why are you on Sari's bed? She's not going anywhere either. They're just staring at each other. Sari's like, okay, I'm bored. Hi, Sari. What's Olive doing? Nothing. Good night.